17th problem. The vertices of a triangle ABC are A 2 comma minus 11, B 2 comma 13 and C minus 12 comma 1. Find the equations of its sides. How many sides will be there in a triangle? 3 sides. What are they? A, B, C. AB is one side. A is 2 comma 11, 2 comma minus 11. B is 2 comma 13 and C is minus 12 comma 1. They are asking to find equation of its sides. So solution given. Let the three vertices of triangle ABC are A 2 comma minus 11, B 2 comma 13 and C minus 12 comma 1. Now first take equation of AB. Before that we have to find slope of AB. Slope of AB. What is the formula? M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. A you think as x1 y1 and that is equal to how much? A 2 comma minus 11. B you think as x2 comma y2. That is equal to 2 comma 13. Now that is equal to 13 plus 11 by 2 minus 2. How much you got means 24 by 0. This is M. M we got. M is equal to 24 by 0. Now equation of a line AB when slope M and a point x1 comma y1 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Either A you can think as point or B as you can think as point. Any one. We are going to find equation of AB, this line. Now I am thinking A as x1 y1. If you want B also you can think, no problem, same answer comes. So y here minus, there minus into minus plus 11 is equal to m we got 24 by 0. X minus 2. Do cross multiplication. 0 into y plus 11 is equal to 24 into x minus 2. 0 into anything is 0. 24 into x, 24x. Plus into minus, minus 24 to 48. Minus 24x is equal to minus 48. Minus minus get cancelled. X is equal to 48 by 24. So 24 goes how many times? 2 times. Therefore x is equal to 2. This is the equation of a line. What is the meaning of x is equal to 2 means? Parallel to y axis at a distance of 2 units. That is the equation of line AB. Now the second side is BC. So equation of side BC. 3 sides are there now. So 3 times we have to do. Now I am thinking B as x1 y1. How much? 2 comma 13. And C I am thinking as x2 comma y2. That is equal to minus 12 comma 1. Now slope of BC. First we have to find slope of BC, that is equal to m is equal to, already you know the formula, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So 1 minus 13 by minus 12 minus 2, that is equal to minus 12 by minus 14. Minus minus get cancelled, and here 2 table, 2 goes 6 times, 2 goes 7 times. So 6 by 7. Therefore m is equal to, we got 6 by 7. Now take either B as 1 point or C as 1 point. Take. So now we are going to find equation of a line. Equation of a line BC when slope m and a point x1 y1 and a point x1 comma y1 is, what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now I am thinking B as x1 y1, so y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 13 is equal to 6 by 7, we got slope. X minus 2, do cross multiplication. 7 into y minus 13 is equal to 6 into x minus 2. 7 into y, 7y, plus into minus, minus 7, 13s are 91 is equal to 6x minus 12. Now bring this left hand to right hand. 6x minus 7y minus 12 plus 91 is equal to 0. 6x minus 7y, subtract. Here plus is more. So 9 from 8 to 8, 7, 79 is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation of BC is 6x minus 7y plus 79 is equal to 0. Write the conclusion. Now third side, CA. Equation of the side CA. AB, BC, CA. C I am thinking as x1, y1, that is equal to minus 12 comma 1, and A I am thinking as x2 comma y2, that is equal to 2 comma minus 11. Now slope of CA we represent with m, and the formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is equal to minus 11 minus 1 by 2 plus, because y plus already formula minus, here minus into minus, that is equal to minus 12 by 14. 2 table goes 6 times, 2 table goes 7 times, that is equal to, we got m is equal to minus 6 by 7. We got slope as minus 6 by 7. Now equation of a line CA, last side, equation of the line CA when slope is m and a point x1 comma y1 is, what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Either this one you can take as a point or that one. Out of these two, any one. I am taking C as a point. So y minus y1 is 1 is equal to minus 6 by 7 we got. Slope x plus 12, because minus into minus plus. So now do cross multiplication. 7 into y minus 1 is equal to minus 6 into x plus 12. 7 into y, 7y, plus into minus, minus 1, 7 is 7 is equal to plus into minus, minus 6x, plus into minus, minus 6, 12 are 72. Bring minus will become plus. So 6x plus 7y minus 7 plus 72 is equal to 0. 6x plus 7y plus is more. So here how much will come? 65. Subtract. Conclusion, what you will write? Therefore, the equation of a line CA is 6x plus 7y plus 65 is equal to 0. 19th problem. Find the equation of a line with x intercept is equal to 5 and passing through the point 4 comma minus 3. Solution given. Let the point with x intercept is equal to 5. Let the point, whatever point on x-axis will be x comma 0 or a comma 0. Here they have given 5. So the point will be 5 comma 0. So I am thinking let the point with the x intercept will find b, that is a 5 comma 0. And another point they have given passing through the point and another point and passing through the point. You write that what they have given and passing through the point. This time you think as b 4 comma minus 3. Now 2 points are there. First find slope of AB. Slope of AB, because they told to find equation of a line. We represent as m y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Think A as x1 y1 and B as x2 y2. Minus 3 minus 0 by 4 minus 5. So minus 3 by minus 1. Minus minus get cancelled. 3 by 1. Now we got slope m is equal to 3 by 1. If you write 3 by 1 or is equal to 3 also same one. 3 by 1 or 3 same. Now they are asking to find equation of a line. So equation of a line. Equation of a line. When slope m and a point x1 comma y1 is, what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now slope is in our hands. Slope how much we got? M is equal to 3 and point a x1 y1 is equal to 5 comma 0. Sir, I will take b, means take no problem. 4 comma minus 3 also you can take. Y minus y1 plus 0 is equal to 3 into x minus 5. Y minus 0 is y only. 3x minus 15. Bring this one from left to right. 3x, never keep negative first. So that's why we are taking minus y minus 15 is equal to 0. Conclusion. Therefore, the equation of a line AB is 3x minus y minus 15 is equal to 0. 21st. Find the equation of a line passing through the point 3 comma 2 and making positive equal intercepts on axis. Find the length of each intercept. This x-axis, y-axis. X dash, x dash, y dash. Axis. Positive equal intercepts. Positive equal. Suppose here at a distance of a means a comma 0 point on x-axis. Point, suppose this is A, you think. This is B. 0, comma A. Equal. How much will be here? Here also that much. Equal. Positive equal intercepts on axis. X-axis, y-axis, both. Now, solution. Let the two positive equal intercepts on axis are A x1 comma y1 is equal to A comma 0 and B x2 comma y2 is equal to 0 comma A. Sir, I'll keep here x means here also you have to keep x. If you keep here y, there y. B here, there, because equal distance. Now, slope of AB. Slope of AB. That is equal to m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. A minus 0 by 0 minus A. That is equal to A by minus A. Goes how many times? One time. So m we got as minus 1. M we got minus 1. Slope we got. Now, equation of a line AB. Equation of a line. When slope m and a point x1 y1 x1 comma y1 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now why you think anyone? I am taking x1 y1. Y minus 0 is equal to minus 1 into x minus a. Y minus 0 is y only. Minus x plus a. Bring from right to left. X plus y is equal to a or minus a. Now we got. They are telling this equation of a line is passing through. This equation of a line passing through one point they give. Passing through a point. How much they give? 3 comma 2. So in the place of x3 you write, in the place of y substitute. So 3 plus 2 is equal to a. A is equal to 5. So now substitute x plus y is equal to 5. They told to find. So here 5 comma 0, 0 comma 5. The length of intercept is 5 units. X plus y is equal to 5. Equation of a line. 22nd problem. Find the equation of a line passing through the origin. What are the coordinates of origin? O, 0 comma 0. And the point of intersection of lines 5x plus 7y is equal to 3 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. Here they have given two equations of a lines, two simultaneous equations. We have to find x value and y value. One point we will get and another point is origin. Now solution given. The point of intersection. The point of intersection of the lines (5x plus 7y is equal to 3), 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. First equation you multiply with 7. Second equation you multiply with first equation multiply with 3. Second equation you multiply with 7. So that plus and minus get cancelled. 3 5s are 15, 15x plus 7 3s are 21y, 3 3s are 9. With the 7 table, 14x minus 21y is equal to 49. Now, plus and minus get cancelled when we are adding simultaneous equations, you know. 29x is equal to, if you add 58 will come. Now find the value of x. X is equal to 58 by 29, goes 2 times, so is equal to 2. So x we got as 2. Substituting x is equal to 2 in equation 1. 5x plus 7y is equal to 3. In the place of x you write 2 plus 7y is equal to 3. 10 plus 7y is equal to 3. 7y is equal to 3 minus 10. 7y is equal to minus 7. Y is equal to minus 7 by 7. 7 goes 1 time. So, y we got as 1. Therefore, x comma y point, how much we got means 2 comma minus 1. 2 comma minus 1. 2 comma minus 1. Write clearly. Think, therefore, x comma y is equal to 2 comma minus 1. Now, equation of a line. Equation of a line passing through 2 points. What are those 2 points? Just now we got a as 2 comma minus 1 and origin O 0 comma 0. Slope of OA m is equal to, formula we know, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Thinking this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2, that is equal to 0 plus 1 by 0 minus 2, that is equal to 1 by minus 2. Now we got m, therefore m is equal to 1 by minus 2. Now equation of a line, or directly can do, but we are finding, we found slope now, we got slope. So equation of a line when slope m and a point a x1 y1, or you can take O also, is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Direct formula is there, in the place of m you can insert this one directly. Writing this directly can do, no problem, that also correct one. Y minus y1, y1 here minus, there 1 minus, so plus 1, 1 by minus 2 into x minus 2, cross multiply, minus 2 into y plus 1 is equal to 1 into x minus 2, minus 2y plus into minus minus 2 is equal to x minus 2. Bring these left ones to right side. So what will be the answer means x plus 2y minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 2y is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation of the line is x plus 2y. X plus 2y is equal to 0. 24th problem. In what ratio does the line x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0 divide the join of A 2 comma 1 and B minus 3 comma 6. We have to find in which ratio. When we hear the word ratio, M is to N. A line segment divides AB in the ratio M is to N. Internally, we know that formula. P of X, M, that formula, and P of Y. Or together also P of X comma Y we can do. Formula, keep in mind. Also find the coordinates of their point of intersection. After finding ratio, we have to find again equation of a line. Then what we are getting equation of a line, and this equation of a line intersection we have to do. Now solution, let P x comma y be the point of the line joining A x1 comma y1, A x1 comma y1 is equal to how much? 2 comma 1, and B x2 comma y2 is equal to minus 3 comma 6. Line joining A and B, line joining A and B in the ratio M is to N, B K is to 1. We are thinking M is to N, B K is to 1. Now P of X first we will find. Mx2 plus Nx1 by M plus N. Okay. Now in the place of K is there. K into X2 how much? Minus 3 plus N plus 1 is there. X1 2 by K plus 1. That is equal to minus 3K plus 2 by K plus 1. Next find out P of Y. Formula My2 plus Ny1. Formula should be in your mouth easily. M plus N, M plus K, Y2 6 plus N plus 1 and Y1 is 1 by K plus 1. That is equal to 6K, 1 ones are 1 only, by K plus 1. Now we got, therefore P of X comma Y means these two we have to write. Therefore P of X comma Y is equal to minus 3K plus 2 by K plus 1 comma 6K plus 1 by K plus 1. These two we have to, now we have to, this we got X value, Y value. Substitute in this equation, then we will get K value. Now we got Px comma Y. They have given equation of a line. How much they have given equation of a line? As x minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. This is the equation of a line given. In the place of x, minus 3k plus 2 by k plus 1 minus 5 into y value 6k plus 1 by k plus 1 plus 15 is equal to 0. Here LCM is k plus 1 minus 3k plus 2 as it is with minus 30k minus 5, because here also same. So denominators are same, right? Directly we have to multiply with the minus 5. So minus 30k plus into minus 1 5 is 5 plus 15 into k plus 1 is equal to, here 1 is there, 1 goes in k plus 1, k plus 1 times is equal to 0. Slowly do. Now minus 3k We will simplify. Minus 33k plus 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Next, plus 15k plus 15 is equal to k plus 1 into 0 is 0, or otherwise right, otherwise where this k plus 1, cross multiplication, simplify. Still here minus 18 will come, minus 18k, 15 minus 3 is 12, plus 12 is equal to 0 into anything, 0. Now minus 18k is equal to minus 12, plus goes from left to right, minus minus get cancelled, k is equal to 12 by 18, 6 2s are 6 3s are, k we got as 2 by 3. We thought ratio as k is to 1, 2 by 3 is to 1, 2 by 3 into reciprocal of 1 is 1 only, so 2 by 3 only, 2 by 3. Therefore m is to n is equal to 2 is to 3. This is the ratio, 2 is to 3. Are you able to follow? Ratio became multiplication, it becomes reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 only. So 2 by 1 into 1 is 2 by 2. 2 by 3 into 1 is 2 by 3 only. So m is to n. We thought m is to n as k is to 1 because 2 is to 3 value. 2 points are there. A as 2 comma 1 and B they have given minus 3 comma 6. Think this as x1 y1, this is x2 y2. First find slope. Slope of AB, that is equal to m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 6 minus 1 by minus 3 minus 2. 5 by minus 5 goes one time is equal to minus 1. Therefore m is equal to minus 1. Now equation of a line. Equation of a line when slope m and a point x1 y1 is, sir I will do directly, means you can do directly, no problem. Taking these two directly you can do, no problem without this one. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, the same m value. So y minus y1 is 1, m we got minus 1, x minus 2. Now y minus 1 is equal to minus x plus 2. Bring to left side, x plus y, minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0, x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. They are asking to find coordinates of the point of intersection of two lines. What are those two lines? X minus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. X plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. These are the two lines they have given for us. Now they are asking to find point of intersection. We are going to find. Now that implies x minus 5y is equal to minus 15, and here implies x plus y is equal to minus 3 will become plus 3. Now subtract. When you subtract, opposite signs, plus will become minus, minus, minus. Here both get cancelled. Minus 6y is equal to minus 18. Minus minus get cancelled. Y is equal to 18 by 6 goes 3 times. Y is equal to 3. Now we got y is equal to 3. Substituting y is equal to 3. In equation, think this as number 1, this is number 2. In equation 2, x plus y is equal to 3, x plus 3 is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 minus 3, how much? 0. So x we got as 0. Now they are asking to find the coordinates now. Therefore, the coordinates of the point of intersection of two lines is 0, 3. 0, 3. X coordinate first, y coordinate next. So 0, 3.